If your backpack suddenly goes missing in the mountains, you've probably met a key. Don't worry, they just want to play. The kea isn't just any parrot, it's a genius in feathers. These birds can solve puzzles, use tools, and even team up to get what they want. Imagine a group of keas unscrewing your thermos or unzipping your bag while you watch in disbelief. They're so clever, scientists travel from around the world just to see them in action. But it's not all brain power. Keas are playful pranksters too. They'll steal your lunch, tug on your shoelaces, and fly away laughing. Well, as much as a parrot can laugh. So if you're ever in New Zealand's mountains, keep an eye on your snacks and your zippers. The kea is always up for a challenge.